Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. I got a good one for you guys today. Remember the mileage tax bill here in California, AB 1421? Well, this is going to be an update on that bill, where it's at, what it's going to do next, all that good stuff. But before we go too far, please hit that like button right now. Subscribe, hit the ring bell, check out the video library for other automotive helpful DIY videos and a ton of emissions deregulation videos. But AB 1421, the mileage usage tax here in California. A month ago, May 1st, I uploaded this video up here where I hit up the Transportation Committee and the Assembly and asked them some questions. Basically asking if they were going to see this bill in a meeting before the deadline to get it moved out of the Assembly, which was June 6th. They said no. So my prediction was that this bill was going to die in the Transportation Committee. Now let's look at Legiscan real fast on the Googler. So CAAB 1421. Go to Legiscan, and then we're going to go to summary. Where is summary at? If I could find it, summary right there, and go down to history. This bill was introduced into the Assembly on February 21st. The last action was it was referred to the Transportation Committee and the Assembly on March 13th. And guess what, you guys? It did not pass out of the Transportation Committee. So this bill is dead. There's going to be no mileage usage tax in California at this time. So we can go jump for joy, celebratory gunfire, do whatever you guys want to do, but I was right. This bill is a thing of the past. It is not going to happen at this time. Of course, sometime in the future, probably about 2030-ish, I bet we will have a mileage usage tax, but as it is right now, it is dead. So I know this isn't a normal video that I would bring to you guys. This is actually good news, letting you guys know that something has positively happened. I'm usually more on the reality and down-to-earth look perspective at stuff, but surprising you guys, this is a good one for you guys, right? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share, do all that good stuff. Comment below, let me know what you guys think about this bill passing, or if you wanted it to pass. I don't know why you would, but if you wanted it to, go ahead, comment below, let us know. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, check out the video library. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.